Hey guys, my name is Tarantino. I'm a computer scientist and this is an introduction to my channel. But first, it's coffee time. Back with the coffee, guys. So, yeah, my name is Tarantino, named after Quentin Tarantino, the director. Surprisingly, my parents, I don't think they were big fans of his. I think they read his name in an article and then liked it and named me after him. But yeah, so yes, as I was saying, I'm a final year. Well, I've just finished my last year of computer science with an industrial placement. Right now, I'm just waiting on my results, but I think I've done okay, to be honest. So I'm not too worried. My interest, anime. I love anime. Favorite, probably just say Naruto. Because the first one I proper watched, excluding Pokemon and whatever. I love piano as well. To be honest, I haven't really played that much for a while because of uni, so I want to get back into that. In fact, let me show you. So, quick little interlude. This is my Naruto manga collection that I've collected up to so far, and also Pandora Hearts, which I'm currently reading at the moment. I think I'm on chapter 10, but I bought this a few years ago and I still haven't finished it yet. So I'm making it a mission to finally finish it and finally know how the manga ends. This is currently underneath my piano, which I haven't played on for quite a while, if I'm honest. So I need to get practicing again because my skills have deteriorated, sadly. But soon, guys, soon. I don't know if I'll do any piano videos, I don't know. But the channel will mostly focus on programming and computer science related stuff. But yeah, quick interlude. Okay, we're back now. So yes, what is this channel? This channel is ideally it's a resource for upcoming computer scientists and basically anyone who wants to use it. I just want to hopefully bring a lot of tutorial content and share some of the knowledge that I've gained over the past few years in uni and on placement. Disclaimer, I'm not an expert at all, but I just want to share some of what I've learned. I've used an array of technologies already: Java, C#, I've touched on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, SQL, C, C++, Kotlin, Swift, Android and iOS development, Unity, Firebase, AR. I've done quite a bit already, so I've got some stuff to give back, hopefully, or create content with. And surprisingly, and even though it's quite popular, I haven't touched Python yet. So maybe I want to eventually learn that. Maybe I'll document the process, I don't know. But I want to do maybe a few Python projects, which would be cool. I've got a Raspberry Pi upstairs, so that could be some ideas in the future. Surprisingly, I haven't done much stuff with hardware, so ideally I want to look at hardware projects, code and hardware, those light bulbs you see where you just program and it turns it on or off. So yeah, I'm quite excited to be honest. So why am I making this channel? I've been wanting to make a channel for ages, but with uni and other stuff, I haven't really had the time. But now that we're in quarantine, even though I am working, I do have time to prepare videos and content, so I thought, why not start now? I've got some ideas. My next video will probably be film generator, showing how to just randomly select a film. And after that, I've got a video on an Anki tool. So I've got a few video ideas, to be honest. But hopefully, we can grow together as a channel and a community, and my content help other aspiring computer scientists and basically everyone who's interested actually to learn something about computer science. Yes, this has been an introduction to my channel. If you guys want to see more on what's upcoming, I guess like and subscribe. Oh, it feels weird saying that. Peace, guys.